This is how to find and highlight duplicates in your Google Sheet. I have this table on the right and I want to highlight the duplicate cities just like I did on this table on the left. So the first thing that I need to do is to select the whole city column, then go to Format and pick Conditional Formatting. From over here, we need to pick from this drop down right here, we need to pick the last option, which is Custom Formula Is. And in my case, I'm going to paste the formula and then I'm going to explain it to you. So as you can see, I pasted the formula and it already highlighted my duplicate cities, but now let's explore it. So the formula that you need to use is COUNTIFS, which takes a first argument, a data range. And in my case, the data range that I've used is K1 to K14. And very importantly, to use the $sign before the K and before the number, just so that this doesn't change. Then the second argument is the first value in my column, which is K1. And then the last thing that I did over here was to add this more than one parameter in here. So what this does, for example, for the Istanbul value, it looks in the entire data range for a value that is equal to Istanbul. And if it finds more than one value, it highlights this cell with the formatting that I picked. So this is how to do it. If you found it useful and it helped you, let me know. Otherwise, if you have any questions, let them know in the comments. Thumbs up the video and subscribe for more videos like this.